Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and happy. This is grade 7 and I am your science teacher, Mrs. Hina Javed. Number 11, transport in human is continue, and we have discussed many points from this chapter. Today we are going to discuss about the pumping cycle of heart, and we will also discuss about blood vessels. Dear students, now you know very well what is circulatory system. The circulatory system carries blood and dissolved substances to and from different places in the body. You can see here. The heart has the job of pumping these substances around the body. The heart pumps blood and substances around the body in tubes called blood vessels. The heart and blood vessels together make up the circulatory system. We know very well that the heart is one of the most vital organs of the human body. Its important job is to pump blood through the circulatory system, thus providing the oxygen-rich blood required to stay alive. This human heart is made up of four different chambers. The upper chambers are called the left and right atrium. We also know that the bottom chambers are called left and right ventricles. Now we will discuss step by step how heart pumps blood through circulatory system. Now students, we will discuss the pumping cycle of heart through the circulatory system. Here you can see the heartbeat begins when the heart muscles relax and blood flows into the arteries. You can see here blood from the body enters upper right atrium, and this blood is deoxygenated blood. It means deoxygenated blood from the body enters in the right atrium of the heart through a large blood vessels that is called vena cava, and at the same time blood from the lungs, oxygenated blood from the lungs enter in the upper left atrium of the heart. After this step, the arteria then contract and the valves open to allow blood into the ventricles. You can see here deoxygenated blood from the right atrium by a tricuspid valve enter into the right ventricle, and oxygenated blood from the left atrium by a pulmonary valve enter into the left ventricle. Right side contain deoxygenated blood and left side contain oxygenated blood. Now in third step, the valves close to stop blood flowing backward. You can see here The ventricles contract, forcing the blood to leave the heart. Right ventricle and left ventricle contract, forcing the blood to leave the heart. At the same time, the arteria are relaxing. Right atrium and left atrium are relaxing and once again filling with blood. Right atrium filled with deoxygenated blood and left atrium filled with oxygenated blood. The cycle then repeats itself. Blood from the heart gets around the body through blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels: artery, vein, capillary. Now we will discuss about the artery. Arteries carries blood away from the heart. Arteries contain thick muscle and elastic fibers. The elastic fibers allow the artery to stretch under pressure, and the thick muscles can contract to push the blood along. Arteries divide into smaller tubes, smaller blood vessels that are called capillaries. Another type of blood vessel is capillary. The capillary. Capillaries link arteries with veins. The wall of a capillary is only one cell, very thin. They exchange materials between the blood and the other body cell. They can exchange oxygen, food, carbon dioxide, and other waste material. The exchange of materials between the blood and the body can only occur through capillaries. Dear students, capillaries join up to form veins. Another type of blood vessels, that is veins. Veins carry blood towards from the heart. They have thin muscles and elastic fiber. They are wider than arteries and have thinner walls. This is because the blood pressure is low and the blood flows slowly. When you move around, your body muscles helps to push blood along veins back to your heart. Veins have walls which act to stop the blood from going in the wrong direction. Body muscles surround the veins so that when they contract to move the body, they also squeeze the veins and push the blood along the vessel. Now, students, we will discuss heart disease. Heart disease are caused when coronary arteries get blocked by a fatty substances called cholesterol. The coronary arteries are very narrow, and when cholesterol sticks to the artery walls, it makes them even narrower. This causes the blood supply to the heart to slow down. A cramp-like pain spread across the chest. This pain is called angina pain. Angina is an heart disease. Cholesterol also makes the insides of the arteries rough, which can cause the blood to clot. Clots can block an artery completely. This blockage is caused and disease is created that is called heart attack. Here are some disease also. Heart disease, coronary artery disease caused by fatty deposits. Heart failure caused by dilated ventricle. Pericarditis caused by inflamed pericardium. Cardiomyopathy caused by thickening of the myocardium. Cardiac arrhythmia, disorganized electrical signals. Valve disease, normal valve closed. Now, dear students, there are some tips to protect your heart. Regular moderate exercise, avoid smoking cigarettes, maintain healthy cholesterol level, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, add probiotics to your diet. Take care of your heart. Allah Hafiz.